Whether you choose the 4-door, 2-door, station wagon, or hatchback, the base Cavalier is a complete car, equipped with many standard functional and appearance features you usually expect to pay extra for. Features that add to the luxurious look of Cavalier, such as bright moldings highlighting the roofline, the doors, and windows, all giving Cavalier the elegant touch of more expensive cars. Smartly designed steel wheels with trim rings make their own quality statement. Teamed with glass-belted radial tires, standard for a smooth, road-taming ride and confident traction. Cavalier's power front disc brakes are fade-resistant, long-lasting. Also standard is a locking fuel filler door, a thoughtful security measure. Inside Cavalier is a new level of comfort and convenience, where its list of standard features continues. The full-floor console adds to the fun of driving a Cavalier. The 4-speed manual transmission has an all-new gear shift mechanism designed for easy shifting with a precise short throw in all gears. With the 4th gear, a gas-saving overdrive. All Cavaliers have GM's computer command control, utilizing some of the most sophisticated electronic technology available on any car today. Computer command control continually monitors information from 4 sensors or information centers: the throttle position sensor, the coolant temperature sensor, the exhaust oxygen sensor, and the vacuum sensor. Based on the data it receives, it's then able to make adjustments in the fuel system, in the ignition system, in the air system, in the engine idle speed, in the evaporation solenoid, and in the electronic spark timing. Computer command control permits good fuel economy and drivability while helping to clean the air. Sit in the lap of luxury in Cavalier's elegant high-back front bucket seats in your choice of soft vinyl, seen here, or smooth textured cloth. Choose comfort that fits you with driver and passenger seat backs that adjust to almost any position, plus a seat adjuster designed for impressive forward and backward travel. And there's more. Cavalier's close attention to quality detail includes plush, one-piece carpeting and sound-absorbing headliner. Both are standard and color-keyed with the handsomely appointed door trim panels, seat and shoulder belts, and stylish steering wheel. Assist handles over passenger doors help travelers exit easily. The recessed door latches and convenient pull handles, styled for a smooth, elegant look, and locking glove box for added security. Cavalier's standard instrumentation means business, with gauges and lamps that tell you what you need to know, and with the trip odometer, what you'd like to know. The handily located smart switch controls turn signals, headlamps, plus wiper and washer with the fluidic spray system for windshield coverage. To provide passenger comfort, power upper and ram air lower ventilation with bi-level temperature control is standard. And to help demist Cavalier in a matter of moments, side window defoggers are added. Each Cavalier also comes equipped with a solid-state Delco AM radio, dual front speakers for a rich, full tone, and a quartz digital clock, features that really make Cavalier a standout. All these and more are part of the base Cavalier package, making it the complete car from A to Z. And if you've always wanted the top of the line, there's the CL model, which takes Cavalier's impressive level of luxury a few steps further. Available for every Cavalier, the CL model adds even more value with features like bright accents in key areas for a high-styled appearance. Tinted glass all around to reduce glare. Body-colored left and right-hand sport mirrors with remote control on the driver's side. Distinctive black accented full wheel trim covers and high-intensity halogen headlamps that provide an extra measure of brightness for nighttime visibility. CL Luxury enhances Cavalier's interior with several specialty touches, such as elegant, high-contoured front bucket seats, specifically designed for comfort, in your choice of plush vinyl or luxurious cloth. Color-keyed door trim with bright molding and carpeted lower panel, and a visor vanity mirror for passenger convenience. The handsome simulated wood grain trim on the console matches the trim on the instrument panel. Special instrumentation includes temperature, oil pressure, and volt gauges to let you monitor key engine functions at a glance. A leather-wrapped steering wheel gives Cavalier CL a distinctive sporty touch. Intermittent windshield wipers for an extra measure of convenience, and an AM/FM radio with dual speakers for a balanced tone are also luxury features included with the CL model. The impressive sound insulation of Cavalier is improved with a custom acoustical treatment. And the Cavalier CL's driving pleasure is enhanced with the addition of power steering and a rear stabilizer bar. On station wagon and hatchback models, a rear window washer and wiper is another convenience feature. Cavalier CL, the top of the line for the owner who wants the utmost quality and value. Many of the CL features are also available as individual options on the base Cavalier. As fully equipped as Cavalier is, you can go even further and dress up any Cavalier model from a choice selection of available options. Make the Cavalier even better with a removable sunroof that lets the wind and sun become a part of your environment. Distinctive aluminum wheels add an extra measure of sportiness. Cavalier's optional automatic transmission includes a torque converter clutch for performance and economy, especially at highway speeds. Enjoy the convenience of cruise control with a resume speed feature that returns the car to a preset speed. Power can be yours at the touch of a finger. Windows that quickly open and close. Doors that instantly lock. Cavalier will be as comfortable as you desire, with air conditioning and a fully adjustable comfort tilt steering wheel. Surround yourself with your kind of music with an AM/FM stereo radio, specially tuned for Cavalier's interior, which can be combined with a cassette player or an 8-track tape player. Make Cavalier your personal statement with distinctive body-side pinstriping, eye-catching sports striping, or elegant custom two-tone paint. Luxury, comfort, convenience, as much as you may desire, all available for your Cavalier. Cavalier, as pleasing on the road as it is to the eye because of its front-wheel drive. It uses an all-new 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, a highly efficient power plant that develops more horsepower per liter than many of its domestic and foreign competitors. And it uses a new 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The engine and transmission are combined into one unit. The engine is sideways, transverse, and put up front. The front shock absorbers and springs are combined into single units, the McPherson independent front suspension. And we added space-saving rack and pinion steering. We now had a shorter engine compartment, more comfort for 4 adults, more room for cargo, a specially designed semi-independent rear suspension with variable rate springs, trailing arms, and twisting axle beam helps deliver a smooth, level ride. The new 1.8-liter engine and manual transmission are coupled with computer command control. Power front disc brakes with low drag feature, glass-belted radial tires. So, the all-new Cavaliers are a new breed of fuel-efficient cars, and Cavalier's front driving wheels literally pull the car, With driving and steering wheels one and the same, the power is always aimed in the direction you want to go, pulling you on curves, up hills, down steep sweeping grades, on straightaways, and with impressive traction. And with the center of gravity at the front third of the car, Cavalier takes crosswinds and turbulence from passing trucks with surprising ease. Its solid handling and great ride make Cavalier one of the premier front-wheel drive cars on the road today. And for those who really want the feel of the road, the optional F41 sport suspension can give it to them. F41 on any Cavalier model puts the thrill and excitement back into driving, with its larger diameter front and rear stabilizer bars to reduce body lean while cornering. Big steel-belted radials on 5.5-inch rims to grip the road. Specially tuned shock absorbers and higher rate springs for added firmness. And a 14-to-1 ratio for quick power steering response. On the open road or within city limits, F41 sport suspension makes driving Cavalier a great sport. Fuel efficient, luxurious, the complete car. 1982 Cavalier, the car you'll want to own.